Meet Fitbit Versa2 a smartwatch that elevates every moment. Use your voice to create alarms, set bedtime reminders, or check the weather with Amazon Alexa built-in. Take a look from the gym to the office with its modern and versatile design. See your states and always on display mode. Plus get Fitbit Pay, daily sleep quality scores, apps, notifications, 24/7 heart rate, and store 300 plus songs for an experience that revolves around you. With a long battery life of 6 plus days, Versa2 tracks your morning, night, and everything in between. Get on-screen workouts that play on your wrist and coach you through each move. Track steps, heart rate, distance, calories burned, floors climbed, active minutes, hourly activity, and stationary time. Life better, save more. With its beautiful design, easy-to-use touchscreen display, and up to 23% savings on heating and cooling cost. The Ecobee3 Lite is the smarter thermostat that helps you live better and save more. It also now pairs with room sensors to help manage hot or cold spots in the home, delivering comfort to the rooms that matter most. And because they track occupancy, they make your home even smarter about saving energy when you're away. Ecobee3 Lite pairs with up to 32 sensors. Works with Echo, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, Wink, and Fits.